Okay, everyone. So the last part of this series, we are going to make this cutout here. You can see this from the top. So what we're going to do is we are going to select this face. We're going to create a sketch. And then let's go ahead and view normal to sketch plane. And what we want to do, let's go ahead and take a look at the measurements. So it says that we have an inch from this edge to the left side of the cutout. And the cutout is going to be 3/4 of an inch wide. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and we're going to use both of these faces right here. And then we're going to just go ahead and create a rectangle. And if it's not looking like a rectangle, so I'm not sure if it actually is, I'm just going to make sure that those two are perpendicular. And then these two should be perpendicular. Okay, and so let's double check. So from this edge to the left side of our cutout is going to be 1 inch. So let's grab that from this edge to here. It's going to be 1 inch right there. And then this is 3/4 of an inch. And you can see, I'm going to zoom in, that this is not symmetric at all. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that line and then my two boundary lines, and I'm going to make those symmetric. Okay, and now you can see that this is almost fully defined. I'm just going to align those two lines and I will make those coincident. And we have everything fully defined. So I'm going to choose OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose each part of that and we're going to go to extrude. We're going to remove and we want to remove through all. Okay, so now when we look at the isometric view, we have everything looking exactly like the sketch here. Okay, so let's go ahead and just show you a couple of different views. All right, so let me put this back in the isometric view. One last thing that I want to show you, if we right click on part 1 and then we assign material, usually I have the students using a 1060 aluminum alloy. So that's what I'm going to look for. Aluminum 1060. So what I did, let me do that again. I right clicked on part 1 and then assign material. And let's look for aluminum 1060. And let's go ahead and select OK for that. Over here, I can get the measurement details. So if it's asking me to select the entities to measure, I can choose a face or I can choose the entire part. You can see what the difference is. Okay, but if I choose the scales, this is going to display the mass properties. And here, this says that my mass is 1.523 kilograms. This is my volume in inches, surface area, and we have some other details that I may ask the students for in upcoming assessment. But this is it. And so use the template they're going to give me the top, you're going to give me the front, and you're going to give me, let's see, I want the right side view. The right side view, and at least one of these views needs to have your measurements. It'll probably be the isometric view. And then up here, you're going to go to share, link sharing, turn on link sharing, and then I want you to copy this link. This is going to go into the template as well. Okay, that is it. And let me know if there are any questions.